Okay, this is the after video of the previous where I was sweeping the sweeper. Now we're gonna put the vacuum back together. Well, the top's already off, but we're gonna put the brushes back in. Get turned over. A little easier when you're using two hands. Okay, I should have brought my old tripod in here that I built for my phone. Yes, wrong belt. Okay, the bad thing about the Eurekas and the Hoovers is the Hoover Convertibles is they have the same shape belt, and this is a Eureka belt. They have the same shape, just a different size. Believe it or not, you can still buy the belts for the Hoover Convertibles. I'm guessing because they still have a Hoover Guardsman, which is very similar to the Hoover Convertibles. That's probably why. Okay, now this is just a couple of tabs that fit up here. Most of you already know that. But now I'm gonna give it a little test drive when I get it put back together. Set that aside. Okay, this video is just a few minutes after I got the Hoover cleaned. So let's test it out, see what that cleaning might have improved. I'm sure it improved a lot. I don't know if you can see that, but as you might be able to see, this little window for the height adjuster is more cleared. Plug it in here, over here. Okay, I have what I call plunder seeds on the floor here. They came off my shorts because I was walking through the woods today, but let's see how this works now. Okay, it works. Well, you know. Okay, I did notice some I think that the brush roll is what's that vibrating. But there we have it. Hoover Convertible reassembled and working. Hoover Convertible reassembled. I think the brush roll is what that vibrating was. Well, we'll just do a quick checkup on that. No, the brush roll runs just plain smooth. Can't see what the rattling might have come from. Oh yeah, the vibrating was coming from the brushes, but overall it still works. But there we have it. Hoover Convertible cleaned up. And we're clear.